In sweet German recipes, we often use something that is called vanilla sugar. Here in America, people mostly know the vanilla extract and they're not familiar with vanilla sugar. In Germany, we can buy it, but if you can't buy it, you can just easily make it yourself. And I will show you here how to do this. Vanilla sugar is mostly used when we are baking or making some desserts. And other than vanilla extract, it doesn't contain any alcohol. It's very easy to make it. All you need is some sugar and you need some vanilla beans. So in this case, one is enough actually. And I often make this vanilla sugar from a vanilla bean that I've already used for something else, because this really contains a lot of vanilla and vanilla aromatic, oils, I guess, that you can use here. So first of all, you need to have a little jar and put some sugar in there, like this. And then you use a very sharp knife to cut your vanilla bean open. You first straighten this a little bit. And you don't cut all the way through. And you need a really sharp knife for that. Just cut through the top layer so you can open it. And I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but there are these tiny little black dots in there. Let's see if I can get some out to show you. Here. So this is the vanilla. And often I use the vanilla for something else, like vanilla pudding or something, and it's already used off. But I still use the vanilla bean for the vanilla sugar. But in this case, I want to use the entire vanilla, and I just put this into the sugar from the entire vanilla bean. No, it's not entirely open here. There we go. You see everywhere I touch this in the middle, that's the vanilla bean that I want. And I just scoop it out here with the back of my spoon. Put it in here. Okay. And you should be able to find a vanilla bean at the spice section of your grocery store. They're not too cheap. This one was about $10. But you have a very good quality then. All right, so that goes in there. Now, I also use this bean and put it into the jar. And sometimes I cut it a little smaller, but it turned out that if it's too small, it's difficult, you get it always on your spoon when you want to scoop some out. So this is somewhere, I think that's still okay. Could be a little shorter, but that's fine. So what I'm doing now is I fill this jar with more sugar. Like this. And let me try to get it a little more in here. I don't want to waste any of this wonderful vanilla, and it smells wonderful. I like vanilla very much, the smell and the taste. Okay, so now this is something that I would put in the pantry, and every now and then when I am in the pantry I would just take this glass and shake it so that the vanilla gets kind of everywhere and the bean gets rubbed on the sugar so that more of the vanilla gets into the sugar. And so after a couple of days and several shakings, I can already use this, and I continue to shake it every now and then when I'm in the pantry. When I see it, when I just walk in to get something, I see that standing there on the shelf, I just give it a little shake, and then I just put it back onto the shelf. And every time I bake and I need some vanilla sugar, I can use this now. I hope you like this. It will be useful if you follow my recipes, but if you don't want to make vanilla sugar, you can as well use your vanilla extract. That's okay. Just figure out for yourself how much of the extract you need, because my recipes do not ask for vanilla extract, and I really don't know exactly how much vanilla extract would be the appropriate amount for the amount of vanilla sugar that I'm using. But I'm sure if you have baked before, you will figure it out, so don't worry too much about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on this channel on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the newsletter of my blog.